Hi everybody, I've been sent a dash camera. It's a MIOFIVE 4K 30 frames per second dash camera. Nice the box. I'll show you what's inside it. Obviously you've got the dash camera. You can see it there, quite nice. It's a nice black one. Feels solid, feels very smooth. Doesn't feel cheap or anything. Got an adjustable mount which fits the windscreen. There's a spare sticky stuff in there at the same time. And I'll talk about the actual dash camera when I'm showing some footage a bit more. You've also got in the box a nice long cable for the dash camera, cigarette lighter and USB port if you need that at the same time. And you've also got a tool for fitting it around the ceiling of the car or the pillars, and you've got some information and some cleaning cloths and some sticky stuff for the window at the same time. So let's get some recording done. We're going to look at doing recording in the daytime, nighttime, raining, sunny, cloudy, get all sorts of recordings, see how clear it is, see how it sounds like. So this is the first clip, and I'm doing a reverse into a parking space with a student actually. This car slows down really well, and this white one, I don't know what he's doing here, he's racing down like a bat out of hell here. So I stopped the camera to see. Nice clear reg plate number, so impressed straight away with the clarity of the dash camera that I've got. So that's quite a common thing, people racing towards you. Here's another one. I'm on a 40 road on a country road on a lesson, and a car overtakes with another car coming, really common. And in this final quick clip here is I'm going past a school, 20 zone, lots of kids around, lots of cars crossing, and a motorbike undertakes us, goes past the black car, nearly causes an accident, and then further on mounts the central reservation rather than waiting in traffic. So it catches lots of silly things happening around you. So it's fantastic for catching that, it's nice and clear. So we're recording in 4K 30 frames per second. On this short footage here, you can see all three cars lined up, reg plates quite clearly, and when I zoomed in, I could see the reg plate of the far car at the same time. And the colours, nice bright sunny day, nice clear vibrant colours, no blur at the side. Really pleased with the colours, really pleased with the clarity of the footage. So I'm really pleased at the moment how it's actually performing. I've had it now for about 3 weeks. So it's been performing really well. The temperature in the cabin was 33 degrees the other day with a heat wave, and there's no problem. It just kept recording like normal, and I'm really pleased with it. It's got an image sensor on it, which is a Sony IMX 415. The resolution in the 4K is 380/40 by 2160. The nighttime footage here is quite clear. It's raining, it's 9:30 at night, so I can see clearly what's going on still, even with the smudges of the rain on the windscreen. And when I go past the reg plates, I can still read the reg plates. So that was actually quite pleased, because sometimes at night time dash cams suffer, but this one's got a good clarity to the film. It still keeps it really well. And then further on late at night, 11:30, you can see still clearly what's going on. Well, when I've got close to the cars, I can still read the reg plates, and from distance I can see what's going on in the distance. It's not blurred, it's quite clear. So overall, quite good. I'll just show you a quick audio of the inbuilt microphone in the dash cam inside the cockpit. So here we go.
So you can see better, because the closer you get behind the bus, the less you see. Plus, if you had this sort of gap, you could move out a bit more and look, couldn't you? Where you're that close, you can't see anything. So remember that, keep it a safe gap from the bus. That red car is way too close.
So it also has intelligent GPS as an AI for artificial intelligence for stop and go warnings as well.
Sudden turn. Drive safe.
Stop.
Sudden brake. Drive safe.
Oh.
So one of the things different about this dash cam, it hasn't got a micro SD card port. It's got actually a built-in 64 gig eMMC high-speed flash drive built into it, which is actually more storage space than a normal SD card. It's reliable, so I've never had a problem with it. And when it comes to download the footage off the dash cam, there's two ways you can do it. If you don't like apps, you can just plug the dash cam into your computer with the USB cable that's provided, or I just downloaded all of it onto the app that's there, and the app was reliable, easy to use, no problems with the app at all. And also, while we're talking about the actual temperature, I had it in 33 degrees hot temperatures and it was fine, no problems. The handbook says operating temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 45 degrees Celsius. So it's well within that and it's been fine. I'll put some more information about the dash cam, what other bits are in it. But enjoy the rest of the footage and click out the link in the description below.